Imagine using two different filters on the same picture because you're not sure which one people will react to the most. This is what A/B testing is like. I'm Devin, and today we're going to explain what A/B testing is and how you can use it for your business. A/B testing, also known as split testing, allows you to segment visitors into two different website experiences to find out which one they like the most. Finding the optimal website experience can do a lot for your business, like increasing sales and customer satisfaction. And this is what A/B testing helps you achieve. Maybe there's a better header image, hero section headline, or maybe just a different offer that should be the first thing people see when they visit your website. Now, after you've had enough visitors interact with your website, all you need to do is look at the split test data to know which of the two website experiences is most favorable. So how do you use it? First, ensure your website is getting enough traffic before you consider running an A/B test. Traffic is necessary for the success of any split test. It's okay if your website doesn't have a lot of traffic. You can still run the split test, but you'll need to let it run for a longer period of time so you can get measurable results. Second, test with a variety of different elements. Some of these elements include page layout. You can create a split test to know whether a picture or button should be on the left or right side of the page, or if a double column website works better than a single column version. Number 2, images. You can also create an A/B test to figure out whether product pictures attract more people than stock images, or if illustrations are better than photographs. Number 3, call to action. Create a split test to find out if changing your call to action will convert more potential customers, or whether the button style or color can make an impact. Number 4, product pricing. Find out whether a price point outperforms the others, or if promotional offerings work better. Number 5, amount of text on a page. Run an A/B test to know if your page should have a more detailed description or whether less text is a game changer. Number 6, headings and subheadings. You can also do an A/B test to choose the headings and subheadings that work best according to the text, style, color, and font. Third, multivariate your A/B tests. You can multivariate your tests since there are so many elements to check for, but ensure that you don't overcomplicate the process by trying to test everything at once. Instead, create a working strategy and optimization plan that you can stick to. Fourth, analyze the results. Running these A/B tests isn't enough. Take time to look at the results and evaluate what works. Then make adjustments to your website accordingly. Fifth, consider external factors. External factors can shape your split test results, and you shouldn't overlook them. If one variation performs much better but ran during a peak holiday season, it would leave you with inconclusive results, so consider this during your analysis. Follow these tips to create an optimal website experience for your audience by using A/B testing. For more awesome tips to grow your business, like and subscribe to our channel. You can also find us at Bluehost on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.